let's continue. यहाँ से है रास्ता. Now let's go.
Go, Shimaki.
Oh fuck. What is that? Let's go.
Two swords. Ha! Are you that scared of me?
Sword glint. No, one sword. They are rain firing. Oh, here you are. क्या हो गया? Oh, there are two people. ये अच्छा है यार. ये अच्छा है. क्विक फायर कर सकते हैं हम. Because of that, कुछ charm मिला था ना हमें last game में. I can't even climb here. These are the 9 tails.
Shimaki.
वो दिख रहा है मुझे owl statue.
I'm not looking for trouble.
I'm not giving you any trouble. Show me the location. Here. एक मिनट. I better get my good outfit. अरे हम दोनों का मैचिंग हो गया.
All the carvings around here are bears and owls. Come on, boy. Who made these carvings?
Oh. गया.
Careful, traveler. We are outnumbered.
Outnumbered? By who?
9 tails. Either we fight together, or they will be gloating over our
Master
corpses.
Enomoto.
I don't even know you.
Is a stranger's life worth nothing these days?
All right, fine. No one's
He looks
gloating
strong.
over me.
This
Very
way,
strong.
Through the brush. Keep looking. We only need.
डेंजरस तो है भाई ये बुड्ढा. उसको मैं मारता हूँ.
My head is yours if you can take it.
I hate these unbreakable shields, man. और वो बॉम्ब. Okay.
This is going to hurt.
I'm just tired of using the same weapon.
Prepare yourself.
ये अच्छा लगता है. ये जो मैंने न्यू सीखा ना. Give me that sword, man. Oh, उधर है कुछ. मिल गया ये sword. किधर है वो?
Why do I get the feeling you didn't need my help?
I had to know whether you needed mine.
And?
Your swing shows promise.
You must be Master Enomoto, the Kusarigama sensei I've heard about. I'm Atsu. I'd like to learn.
That's wisdom I usually keep to myself.
Seriously, this guy
You
looks
helped
strong,
an
man.
old man when you did not have to. So tell me, why do you fight?
Revenge,
I
obviously.
have old debts I need to settle.
An honest answer. But I don't train those consumed by petty slights of the past.
I lost my family to Lord Saito and the Yotei Six. Train me, so I can bring them justice.
I see. Then I have some things to show you.
Way of the Kusarigama.
Now, step forward, Atsu, and take this Kusarigama from the owl. It will be your companion going
Finally, I'm getting this. I have waited so long for your weapon. 2 weeks,
forward.
almost 2
Like a
weeks.
Kusarigama, an owl is a
I have been
silent
traveling
hunter.
towards Teshio
Its
Reach for this.
talons are sharp. Use it to cut through the bamboo up the hill. This way.
I'm just so eager to use it. Bamboo, huh?
Cut
Arre,
through the
rख लिया.
bamboo. Good. Quick.
क्या good?
Swift strikes.
कटाई नहीं. अरे ओह सॉरी ये वाला बेम्बू था. मैं भी सोचूं इसको कब से काटने लग गया.
The bear's arms are long and powerful, like the Kusarigama's hundo. Use it to smash the pot.
Boom.
Use
Boom.
the hundo. Smash through.
अच्छा ये गोल वाला और कहता है हुंडो.
Always remember, the Kusarigama is the owl and bear joined together. You must use both. Now, come across the river.
Why did the
Oh
Ninetales
fuck.
want you dead?
अच्छा
An old quarrel.
रास्ता है.
What sort of quarrel?
I guess this sharp one is the owl's talons, वो जो blades होते हैं, and that hundo जो बोला उसने, गोल वाला, that is the bear strength. हटेगा? ये क्या है? इसमें wolf है. वो देखो.
Old man has to come
Oh.
through here.
People.
No rations to whoever kills him.
Double rations.
Look around.
More Ninetales.
A good chance to put what you have learned to use. Now, it is important you understand that Kusarigama is fierce,
क्या ही सीखा है, दो ही तो
but
मूव
it is
था.
best against shielded foes.
And if my enemy doesn't have a shield?
The Kusarigama will still kill, but will not shine.
Finally shield breaker मिल गया हमको.
It's best to draw
I was so
your own
irritated with the shield. I guess अभी मैंने बोला था
Show
ना
me
ये
the
बात भी.
best weapon to use against katana.
Yeah, katana against katana.
Katana against katana. Show me which weapon you will draw when
Oh,
facing
someone
shield.
joined. Hello, person. Shield तोड़ने के लिए finally.
To break through their shields and cut them down.
Yep.
Yes, the bear breaks through, the owl cuts down. You're ready to move on.
Got you, got you. How about breaking their skull with the bear thing? Complete waste. Very pathetic shot. Kusarigama लेके मारना पड़ेगा. शील्ड छोड़ा आदमी गया. ये दूसरा गया शील्ड. ये तीसरा गया शील्ड. Finally, you guys will play shieldless. Oh, that was a good shot, man. Whoa. I'm liking this. Come and get me. अरे सच में आ गया, मार दिया. शील्ड करके सर. अच्छा ये चेन के थ्रू. ये चेन टूट नहीं जाएगा मारते मारते. ये गया शील्ड. You prepare yourself. बच गए. Oh, I see a sword. Wait, let me do it a different way. Why is the old man not joining me? ये गया शील्ड. इरिटेट इतना हुआ था ना मैं शील्ड से, कसम से. Okay, let's go with the katana then.
That is the right technique.
मजा आ रहा था मेरे को, to be honest. चलो अच्छा ही वो मर गया. दोबारा यूज करेंगे कुसारीगामा. अरे मेरे पास था तो सही. साके होकर हम पी लेता तो हम लाइव रहता, और उसको भी 2 ही स्ट्राइक चाहिए था हराने के लिए वैसे तो. But never mind.
Prepare yourself. Don't let her reach that weapon.
देखा, स्पिरिट आ गया ना. ये मैं उस समय भी कर सकता था. Never mess with drunken Atsu. Okay, I'll stop with the time pass now. अब करते हैं. कोई कटाना नहीं.
That is the right technique.
रात ही हो गई इनको मारते मारते. दोनों को लग गया. ओह ओह, you and me left, huh? Come on. ये जो ऐसा निकल रहा है ना खून, ये भी वो अपग्रेड करने के बाद ही हुआ सेटिंग्स पर जाके। एनीवेज लेट्स कंटिन्यू। लेकिन यार अंधेरा हो गया, ब्लर हो गई अब आंखें मेरी। वाह क्या रास्ता है।
Step with purpose, Atsu. The weather is turning.
एक मीम पढ़ा था मैंने, किसी का स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन किया था मैंने। उसमें बोलते हैं दिस क्लाइंबिंग रॉक्स दिस पार्ट।
The Nine Tails aren't the only enemy in this valley. The weather can be a cunning opponent.
खत्म। तो मैं बोल रहा था ये जो क्लाइंबिंग वाले रॉक्स नहीं है, मैंने किसी का स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन किया था, उसमें किसी गधे ने कमेंट किया, मतलब जो कि मार रहा था वो बेसिकली, दैट दिस आर you know the bird shits, hardened bird shits, this climbing parts। उसमें इतना हंस रही थी वो स्ट्रीमर, क्रिस्टी करके कोई है जिसको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ। यहीं से जाना है क्या कि कहीं और रास्ता? बच गए। ओह
Now we rest.
ये लग रहा है ना ट्रेनिंग स्पॉट एकदम।
That was a lot of Nine Tails coming for you.
They're getting bolder.
One of them kept calling you old man. Who is he?
My grandson.
Your grandson is trying to kill you?
He's lost, consumed by his anger towards me. Nine Tails turned it into a weapon. Now he believes killing me will heal an old wound.
What wound? Will it?
Is he right?
As the one whose head would be rolling on the ground, I think not. Ah, the storm is here. Good. We will continue on.
Good. Shouldn't we stay inside?
Will the enemy wait for fair weather to attack? You must train for the worst.
अब देखो ज्ञान की बातें। Let me just drink some sake in that case. इससे आगे नहीं जाता तो कोई बात नहीं। It'll keep me warm, I guess. गई वो। आप वो अरे बाद में पीना चाहिए। आप वो देख रहे हो नीचे जो लाइफ के वहाँ पे आइस वाला सीन बन रहा है। दिस इज बेसिकली, मैंने एक फाइट में नोटिस किया था, दिस गेट्स फ्रोजन सो यू कैंट इंक्रीज योर मैक्सिमम हेल्थ। उसके आगे नहीं जाना बेसिकली, मैक्सिमम हेल्थ आपका यहीं तक रहेगा। उसको हील भी करूँ तो यहीं तक रहने वाला है। बट इफ आई कीप मूविंग और इफ आई यूज माई वेपन, वेयर इज माई वेपन? अच्छा यूज नहीं कर सकते बेसिकली इन अ फाइट, और इफ आई कीप मूविंग देन आई डोंट गेट फ्रीज। So these are like the small details in the game. Oh, here, I'll move. So I guess वो freeze वाला चला जाएगा.
Strike the targets.
It's too cold. I can't get a good grip.
Try again.
भाई वो पूरा freeze हो गया तो शायद हम मर ही जाएगा.
It's not working.
The cold is outside your body, Atsu. But your disbelief is inside.
My fingers know what they believe.
You have to be comfortable in the storm. Follow me. Higher.
और ऊपर जा रहे हैं और ठंडी लगेगी. See how they are making us realize the weather. पूरा स्क्रीन साइड से ब्लर हो गया है फॉग करके, और अत्सु तो बैंड हो ही गई वो अलग. Our fingers must be numb in this weather.
Doesn't this cold slow you down?
The storm is an old friend to me.
Maybe you need... Maybe you need better friends. This wind! I can barely hold on.
As in any battle, if you believe you'll fail, then you will. And it is a long way down.
कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा मेरे को सही से.
We're here. Now, show me your technique.
Again? It's freezing!
You ask for mercy? You ask for mercy? Will Lord Saito show you any?
A bear with a salmon in his mouth.
Once more, show me your technique.
I can't get a good grip in this cold.
If you hope to fight in this valley, you must learn to live within it.
I'm trying.
I asked you before why you fight. Do you think Lord Saito shrinks away from the cold?
Emotional कर रहा है अब.
If he were here now, would you strike him down or go inside and drink tea? I can make a brew of hot sencha if you like.
Fine. You've made your point. What do I need to do?
Over here. This pool is fed by snow melt from the mountain peak. It's frigid, but it will brace your spirit.
You're joking.
The same conviction that brought you here can warm you from within.
अरे बेंचस, ये तो एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था कि ऐसे जाएगा ये इस वेदर में. Warmer days, willpower.
The cold waters are outside my body. In my mind, they don't exist.
Expressions देख रहे हो उसके?
If I can believe that, I might survive this.
It is freezing cold.
You're still here. Few last this long.
Now you tell me.
And now you understand your mind is your true center of power. Your body is simply an instrument of its will.
वाह.
I want to have another go at those targets.
Yes, please do.
Mind is your center of power. Your body is an instrument to its will. Anyways. अरे. Oh. तो ये होना
Well
था.
done. Now I have one final test for you. Face me. Strike me as you would your enemies.
शील्ड ब्रेक करने में तो मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा, क्योंकि इरिटेट बहुत हुआ मैं इससे. Boom. 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 मारो. Keep moving to keep your warm. अभी भी मारना है कि रुक जाना है? उसका sword वैसा नहीं लग रहा. लग क्या रहा है भाई? वही है, लकड़ी का ही है पूरा. Wooden sword. And I'm using a steel kusari gun. ये लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस के लिए भी अच्छा है एक्चुअली ना. काफी दूर तक जा रहा है. वो नहीं मारेगा क्या मेरे को? Just see यार, this ये देखो weapons का ना. The chain with spikes, that owl's talon, this bear, ये ऐसा एक फोटो तो ले सकते हैं हम. मिशन के बीच में भी ये गंदी आदत जा नहीं रही मेरी. Anyways, let's resume. अच्छा उसके बाद भी कुसारे का है पीछे एक्चुअली, वो यूज नहीं कर रहा. खत्म.
Good. Good. You have done well.
Now, how about that cup of tea? I think I've earned it.
Indeed.
Tea never felt so good.
A necessity for survival in this valley.
Be honest with me, Master Enomoto. You didn't fight the Ninetales earlier, because you don't want to fight your grandson.
What grandfather would?
Why does he hate you?
His mother was killed in a senseless crime. He looked to me for training to avenge her. I refused.
Why?
Yet you teach me, and I hope to kill Saito.
I do not begrudge justice in the face of atrocity. But my grandson came to hate the whole world. He wants everyone to suffer.
अच्छा.
So he joined the Ninetales instead.
And now his venom towards me is turned against the people of this valley. Come, there's work to be done.
और ट्रेनिंग करना है क्या अभी?
More training?
In time.
My
Now, you put your new
Kusarigama's
skills to
chains
use.
are sounding
You must
clink
become
clink.
my instrument in this valley. The Ninetales spread terror across the land. Take note of what you see below.
ये भी तो है, और क्या देखना है? Below. अच्छा वो रहा शायद. तो इस तरफ क्यों दिखा रहा था मुझे?
What am I looking at?
A Ninetales den. You must clear them out. Free any innocents you find. Now on the other side of the valley.
तो इस साइड पहले नहीं दिखा सका. हाँ तो यही पे तो देख रहा था पहले.
A port village.
Yes, a weaponsmith is being held there. An important ally to improve your Kasarigama.
Why can't you do this?
My presence only fuels my grandson's resolve. He doesn't know you.
And if our paths cross? You want me to kill him, don't you?
To even utter those words about my own blood.
That was emotional.
Is this why you're training me?
Peace must be restored.
I don't know
understand.
if he is right or not to do that. Kusarigama. Waited so long, man. इससे याद आया मुझे कि मेरा जो ओदाची है उसमें भी तो एक अनलॉक किया था मैंने, वर्ल्ड विन टाइप का, बट वो मैंने यूज ही नहीं किया कभी भी. दैट कॉस्ट स्पिरिट एज वेल. ओह दिस वन एट द एंट्रेंस मास्टर क्या एनोमोटो ना, यही मूव तो यूज किया था. ऐसा पकड़ा और खींच के ले आया अपने पास. To execute assassinations from a distance. This also cost one spirit, but that's okay. Oh, पीछे मैं वो देख पा रहा हूँ ना. Strength of the bear. Mighty talents, assassinate large brutes. Ooh. वहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क क्यों है? एक और वेपन है क्या कुछ? अच्छा हाँ 4 सेक्शंस था ना, पता नहीं लास्ट वेपन क्या होगा. आयरन टैलेंट. हाँ, इसमें स्पिरिट कॉस्ट नहीं होगा आने के बाद. Oh, this is a whirlwind man. ये है एक्सप्लोर इशिकारा प्लेन टू अनलॉक. और इशिकारा प्लेन में मैं गया नहीं एक्चुअली ना. वहाँ पे एक वेपन छोड़ के आ गया मैं. Anyways, I'll save this then. Task 1 of 3. इधर एक है और मैं इसके पास हूँ ना. वेपन स्मिथ के पास पहले जाते हैं, फिर यहाँ पे. After that, I can go here and I can do the main mission. All right. I guess I'll upload this separately, है ना? Let me just restart my streaming so that I can upload this separately and then I can upload the other one. So, see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, guys.